This just came in, and see if I can get some light here. Sunlight right here. Okay. I'm looking to use it to temporarily fix some. I think I have about 2 missing tiles on my roof, and I'm not looking to replace them yet. I have to buy the right color, and they're out at my local Home Depot. So for now, just to make sure that nothing happens before I replace them, I'm going to put this temporary solution. Hopefully it works, and let's open it up, and I'll bring you up to my temporary shingle or roof. So let's hope that this solves the issue. I'll have this all at the end if you want to get a closer look at all this. Oh, there that goes. Let's close that off. Okay, let me put that here. Make sure I have that for the end. That's what it says on the inside. Okay. And okay, let's open this up. And this is the inside. This is how it looks. I gotta cut this. Let me measure it. I know, even though it says the measurements, I like to physically measure. Okay. I believe it's 10 feet long. That I'm not measuring. Alright, let's go to the roof. Let's open this up. Get a closer look and then go to the roof. And cover up that missing tile so we get no leaks. Piece of tape holding it. And oh, that's you can see it's not regular tape, that's for sure. It's like a clay or a paste. It's kind of thick too. I guess that's why it's leak proof. Nothing can get through. Alright, let's go put it on the roof. So I'm on my roof, and this is the shingle I'm missing. It might be 1.5 shingles. It's pretty long. So let me put this down, and that way I can safeguard the rest of the shingles. Protect the nail. It's beautiful up here. I put this down and forget it, you can't even get it up again. I tried peeling it off again to straighten it out. Nothing, it's stuck. This thing is good. I mean, so far. I'll come up and I'll probably give it about 5 days just to make sure that it's still up here. And then I'll just end the video. But I think it's a pretty good repair kit. Temporary repair kit. I got it really covered really well. Thing is sticky like crazy. I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna put a cover over it again, just to repair it, make sure that it stays good. So after a few days, probably I think about 5 days now, this is my first time up since the last time I was up here. I put this down. It's working really well. It's rained, I think I'm gonna say about 5-6 times already, and it's held up. No problem. No, I can't peel it up. It's stuck in there. It's like sealed. And like I said, I can't. Once I put it down, it's hard to pull it up again and reseal it. It's pretty down there. Yep, it's pretty solid. Really good. I like it. It's a plus. It's working for my needs. All right, so I hope this video helps. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape 10 feet x 4 inches Black Roof Car Repair Leak Prevention 06022020. Cost $11.67. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/b07hscrick w/o_2_score b_s_ps=PS=1. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flexible Tape creates a permanent bond that instantly seals out air, water and moisture. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flexible Tape works on indoor or outdoor repairs and even underwater. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flexible Tape has an extra thick adhesive layer and UV resistant backing. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flexible Tape and conforms to the surface to repair holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flexible Tape repairs leaks in roofs, low pressure pipes and hoses, rubber, plastic or vinyl pool liners and much more. 2x more tape than 5 feet. Flexible tapes. From the manufacturer Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flex Tape. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Flex Tape 4 inches wide x 10 feet long. Great for RV repairs, gutter, camper and tarp repairs, skylight repairs, roof repairs, water tanks, underwater repairs, pool liner and cover repairs, vehicle sealant repair, window leaks. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape instantly seals out water, air and moisture. With an extra thick adhesive layer and UV resistant backing, this tape conforms to form a permanent bond indoors and out. At 4 inches wide, use it to patch holes, cracks, gaps and tears, even underwater. Excellent for home, auto, marine, camping, RVs, outdoors and more. Adhesive is only on one side of the tape. 33 mils thick butyl adhesive that won't yellow and crack over time. Product features permanent bond, works underwater for indoor or outdoor use. 2 times more than 5 foot flexible tapes. Permanent bond. Permanent, may damage surface if removed. Works underwater. Waterproof tape instantly seals out water, air and moisture. Indoor outdoor use, ideal for outdoor repairs. More tape. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape comes in a 10-foot long roll compared to 5 feet rolls in similar tapes. Creates a permanent bond that instantly seals out air, water and moisture. Product description: size name 1. Pack. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape instantly seals out water, air and moisture, with an extra thick adhesive layer and UV resistant backing. This flexible tape conforms to form a permanent bond indoors and out. At 4 inches wide, use it to patch holes, cracks, gaps and tears, even underwater. Excellent for home, auto, marine, camping, RVs, outdoors and more. Will work on plastic, metal, aluminum, rubber, wood, vinyl, glass, steel, acrylic and much more. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape can be applied in hot, cold, wet and dry conditions. For best results, apply the tape to a clean surface at room temperature. 1. Keeping liner on tape. Cut tape to desired size. Tape size should be larger than the repair area, extending beyond all edges. 2. Remove the release liner and place tape over desired repair area. Tape cannot be repositioned once applied. 3. Rub entire surface of the tape aggressively, especially the edges. Storage. Store tape on the top and bottom disc at room temperature. Edges of tape may be sticky. Service temp: -70 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Performance will be dependent on surfaces and conditions. Surfaces must be clean, smooth and unporous. Water must be pressed out from underneath tape, not for use on seams, applications under pressure, or automotive applications under the hood. May not adhere to silicone or water repellent materials. Do not use to hang. Permanent. May damage surface or paint if removed. Click on the Gorilla link at the top of this page to visit the Gorilla brand store. Product information: size, name 1. Pack technical details: manufacturer the Gorilla Glue Company, part number 4,612,502, item weight 0.01 ounces, product dimensions 4x 3.5 inches, item model number 4,612,502, is discontinued by manufacturer. No size. 1. Pack color black, finish black, material low density polyethylene, LDPE, item package quantity 1, number of pieces 1, certification not applicable, usage outside, inside, amateur, inside, professional, outside, amateur, outside, professional, amateur. Included components: 1 roll tape, batteries included. No batteries required. No additional information. ASIN B07 Hiskrek.